I think I know what this row represents. It represents a person that is wearing a bird outfit. And the reason why I think this is because of how broad the shoulders are um, on this person. And so, if a person is of a large enough size and this person wears a bird costume, it will make them look larger than life. And that's what is happening here. So, this is the top part of the bird outfit. And this is a wing, and this is a wing. And this right here, this part, is kind of like a skirt, but it's meant to make the person look like a bird. And so this area would be, if this was a bird, this would be the bird's abdomen. And this right here, this area, these jewels, they represent the bird's tail. And then this is the human's foot. And this is the human's foot. And of course, this is the human's head. And so, yeah.